So I will start. And hi and good afternoon to our clients. Nice to meet you guys. And I'm the group leader, Sean. And thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. And today we are excited to present the SugarHigh uh, project to you guys. So now we will walk you through how this project works overall. Let us get started.
Alright, I am JJ.
Hello, I'm Anika.
Terence.
Hello, I'm Terence.
Hello, I'm Pradipta.
Alright.
For our theme, we chose a warm, wholesome theme to reflect sugar as something familiar and comforting in everyday life. The cookie inspired visuals and soft tones make the game feel approachable, consistent, and engaging, while supporting learning without overwhelming the player. Below is our mood board. It consists of the soft tones and the warm colors. It's mainly browns and neutral colors. So, yeah, and just an overall cookie theme.
Okay, so come to the logo design concept. For the logo design, we design in cookie inspired typography using a cookie font with rounded, soft letter shapes resemble baked cookie to reflect the game theme. We also using the warm color palette like light brown and cream tones to create a sweet and cozy and friendly feeling. For the cookie chip characters, with using small cookie face to add some personality and make the logo more playful and memorable. Star essence. Star represent the excitement, fun, and the sugar rush feeling of the game. And the last is simple and readable. So we're using cookie font with clear letter form to ensure the logo remain the legible and different size.
Next, I explain the mascot design. The mascot uses a rounded shape and soft expressions to create a friendly and playful feeling. Each expression and pose represents different game effects such as advantage, sabotage, and special actions. By using clear facial expressions and simple visual elements, the mascot helps players quickly understand what is happening in the game while staying consistent with the overall theme. Next.
Okay, so come to the guidebook design. The guidebook design, I'm design consistent with the logo design, also using the cookie theme visual style with warm badge background with cookie pattern to match the game playful and the sweet concept. Next is cookie inspired frame with using wavy dark brown border represent the melted cookie and giving a fun and cozy feel. Clear reading area, like some light center panel to keep text easy to read and while separating the content from the decorative background. For friendly, we also using the friendly typography. Just now I mentioned using a cookie font with rounded bold font to reflect a cute, casual, and approachable game tone. For visual hierarchy, with clear heading, step-by-step section, and spacing to help player understand the rules more quickly. And last is decorative but subtle details with cookie texture and icon to add the character without distracting from the rules. Okay, so here are the guidebook with some others example design for the guidebook I created. So later we will show you the physical visual design. Yeah, after that.
Right, so come to the dice. So from previously we saw that you guys use dice to determine odd or even outcome for the players. So we realized that if you just need to determine odd or even, maybe you can use another method to make this game more related to the team, whether you use a colorful team or cookie teams like what we did. So this is the outcome that the design outcome that we finally decided to change it a little bit. From dice, we make it to coin. So the front faces was a small face, and the back faces was a doll face. So you guys can just the player can just decide themselves they want front to be odd or back can be even. So you can use like the flip coin method to decide the player's outcome, right? So the next part is token. Token same, we align with the cookie team, so we make it into a round shape instead of just star like previous one. Because when we're using round shape, we can protect the elements. I mean, can protect the token being too dangerous for some players because our players is just small ages, so using round would be more suitable and also more um, safety for our players, and also looks good. All right, game card. So I will pass to Terrence to explain what we did on the game card.
So for the game card, we separated with four things, and there's like the star, the sabotage, bonus, and advantage. Um, we tried to like design the card more cookie theme, just like the font over there. It have like dots to represent cookies as well. And on the back side of it, we only have like a simple logo with like a more whitish background to like
All right, so we have
simplify.
a bunch of, I mean, a fully documented card design here. So later we will send the link to you. So as well as our prototype video, so you guys can just have a look on it later. I will send the links to you guys personally. So go back to the presentation. Next.
For the board game, we decided to make the shape more rounder shape as well, so it looks more like a cookie. And we still have like the adjustable thing where you can like go with your scores, and so you can like determine what part you are on the numbers.
Okay. Can you
And
be louder? Louder a bit.
uh, for the box packaging, we decided to use more a lighter shade so it doesn't look all that brownish dull cookie color. The front page is only the logo with a little bit of ornaments there, and on the back side we have more of explaining the game and some decorations there as well.
So here's a prototype video. It shows how we play the game and also the elements. Wait, sorry. Okay. Yeah. So it is on YouTube, but it's a unlisted playlist. So you guys can have a look on it. I will share the link to you guys. The Teams uh, chat. And also our document is in the slide here. You guys can have a look on it. So we go to the overall look first. Can Terence show your camera?
So this is what the box going to look like, and
So others just close your camera first. Let Terence show the things. Terence, you put it at the middle because it's hard to see your
oh yeah,
product.
yeah, yeah. This is the cards. This is the backside of the cards. This is the guidebook, and this is the backside of it. This
Show
is
them
how
the
to
text. Show closer,
yeah.
closer. Yeah.
guidebook. This is for the working. You can drag it around. This is for the coin, which you can flip. This is the front page, the one with the smiley one.
Yeah, maybe you can try to flip it or something. Just try to flip it. Yeah, so use it as to consider the player odd or even. Okay. So any other things? The token?
Here's the token. That's
Yep.
about it.
Lastly, you can show the packaging, our packaging box.
This is the front box. This is the back box.
Yep. Yeah. So that's all. That's all from our sharing today. So you guys can ask any question, or maybe you want to have a look on certain things. You guys can ask.
Okay. So let me see. First of all, we actually like the theme you guys set for our game. Like especially the mascot. We actually like the idea because it's like connecting the whole game to make it like cohesive. But there's still some that we think there is improvements to it. Like for the card design, we think that first of all, there's some of the cards that there's lacking of description. Like originally we have some description under some of the cards. Like most importantly for star cards, they have descriptions. Like for double or nothing, it has an indication of whether to flip the dice or the coin and to like have a special effect on it. And then from what we see here is there isn't any description about it. Like flipping the coin, like the dice. The dice idea is actually nice though, because we didn't think of it. And we also like the illustrations. But then the card there's lacking of descriptions. And also just specifically double or nothing and also make a potion, because that star card has a special effect bonus, so without it the players won't get like to know how to play at first glance. So that's about the card. And for the illustration on the card, we think it's not dynamic enough. It looks repetitive, and some of the illustrations doesn't reflect the card accurately. Like freeze, double or nothing. Like originally we thought of like if it's the freeze card, maybe we can like make it more obvious, like maybe a snowflake or something, just to make it bigger and obvious. And also about the labeling of the card, it's good with the icon on the right side of the illustration, but then it conflicts. It kind of conflicts the title, like sabotage and the S icon. It feels a little redundant, and we think would be better to have the name of the card as the biggest font on the card. Yeah.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Yeah, that's all for the card. About the box packaging, we think that it's really nice. Just that the front you can maybe add some of the mascot because it feels a bit uh a lot of space. So
Empty. Yeah. Too
empty,
empty.
yeah,
Yeah.
empty.
Got it. Got it.
A little empty, but we like the border and also the title.
Okay.
Yeah. And lastly, the resource counter is actually nice. We like the design, the whole cookie thing, and then just that maybe the font for sugar, glycogen, ATP coin can be like more bigger for visibility.
Okay.
And yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.